Okay, basically, to roll out tortillas, you start off with tostales, or these little dough balls. You get one, put a little bit of flour on your surface, push it out a little bit, then just basically forward, backward, turn, forward, backward, turn, forward, backward, turn. If it sticks a little bit, you can sprinkle a little bit more flour. Eventually, you'll get to that better shape. Roundish enough. And basically, you just put it on your cast iron pan here. I already have another one ready. This is them cooking. So you see the little bubbles that start to form. Just gently press. Bubbles will come up higher. They only really need like about not even a minute. Until brown little speckles form. You turn them over. See how it has a little brown on it? See that? That's it, right there. 2 tortillas. Sack of tortillas. Ready to go.